Oh, these must have gotten hidden away during the contest. Oh well, at least I can restock. One Wonka bar it is.
Oh, wait till Grandpa Joe sees this. We're gonna have a feast.
We repeat, the fifth golden ticket is a forgery. Alberto Menuleta of Paraguay has just been taken into custody by the police.
Ay, caramba.
Which means there is still one golden ticket out there.
Is this real? Is that the real one? No, it mustn't be. Yes, no, it is. It looks like it's really real. Oh, no, I want to see it.
I want to see the ticket.
Run straight home, Charlie. Don't stop.
Congratulations, little boy. You found the last golden ticket. May I introduce myself? Arthur Slugworth, president of Slugworth Chocolates Incorporated. Mr. Wonka is my sworn enemy. He is currently developing an incredible invention, the everlasting gobstopper. If he's successful, he'll bankrupt me. So I need your help. You must get a hold of an everlasting gobstopper and bring it to me so I can find the secret formula. If you do as I say, you'll be rich. A new house for your family, plenty of food, and security for the rest of their lives. Huh? I want it all. I want his whole world. All that I need is one kid to betray him. At last I'll repay him, and how? I want what's Wonka's. I want those secrets. Scrum-diddly, umptious, and Wonka's so scrumptious. Gobstoppers or go bust, give it to me. Now! I want it all. I want the whole world. I want to lock it all up in my pocket. It's my bar of chocolate. Give it to me. Now I want today. I want tomorrow. I want to wear them. I will if I dare. And I don't want to share them. I want a party with rooms full of laughter. 10,000 fans adore me. And if I don't get the things I am after, I'm going to scream. I want the works. I want the whole works, the world on my plate. It isn't too late to seal Wonka's fate. And now, don't care how, I want it now. Don't care how, I want it now.